Welcome to my channel, dear friends. Today, I'll share a powerful story about hard work. This story teaches us that success is earned through original effort, not by copying others. The story teaches that genuine learning, preparation, and participation are key to personal growth. Relying on shortcuts like copying may seem easy, but they lead to failure when real understanding is tested. Teamwork, dedication, and honest effort bring true success and respect. Raj and Sunita studied in the third semester batch of a reputed college. As a rule of any professional college, students are supposed to go to various industries for visits to understand the industrial procedure in a better way, in a practical way. And not only this, but coming back to college after the visit, they had to prepare the industrial report regarding what they saw in that particular industry. The college decided to take the students to a popular chocolate manufacturing company in the city. A proper tour was organized and all the students visited the beautiful chocolate industry. The atmosphere of the industry was very mesmerizing. The fragrance of chocolate was exhilarating. Beautiful liquid chocolate was getting converted into solid form by machinery. The entire process of transformation looked very beautiful. Raj and Sunita felt like they are in a kingdom of chocolate. The professionals of the department made them visit the DM and other influential people in that organization also. The managers thoroughly explained the plans and policies of their organization along with the production process and other necessary things. Raj and Sunita were actually feeling like that industrial visit is a journey of a lifetime. They did not want to leave the place, but it was a compulsion. As they exited that factory, they felt like they are coming out of a world of chocolate into a new world. It was actually an unforgettable experience where they understood not only the industrial procedures, but met influential people also, who were responsible for making chocolate the thing that it is. As they returned to their college campus there, Professor said, "Raj, Sunita, and other students, please prepare a detailed project report of the industrial visit that you have recently experienced." The students were very clever, and they tried to trick their professor. One person prepared the project report and the rest all photocopied that report. The person who prepared the report was Sunita. There were only 15 students who visited the chocolate factory in groups. Actually, they were 60 students in the batch, but all of the students visited different industries in groups of 15. Sunita prepared the report very thoroughly, clearly mentioning what she saw in that industry depending on her own individual observation. Not only she explained the details in a proper way, but during the visit, she also clicked photographs of crucial machinery in the industry. She attached those photographs also in her report along with the written material to make things clear to the teacher. Raj was also very happy as he had copied from the same report. He thought that teacher will score him well. But when they met their teacher just after the industrial visit in the classroom, they were shocked to listen to the announcement of the teacher. The teacher said, "Dear students, it was a very crucial visit. I know all of you have prepared the report perfectly, but I also want you people to give a PowerPoint presentation of what you individually observed in that industry. That way I will be able to understand the learning power of individual students. The presentation will happen after 3 hours from now. I am going to make arrangements in the seminar hall. And yes, Principal Sir and Director Sir, both will be present in the seminar. So speak so well that you impress them perfectly. And one more thing. You are free for the next 3 hours with no lectures. I have opened the largest IT lab of our college, with 1,000 systems with internet and AC. Go and prepare the slides. Reach the seminar hall after 3 hours. Director Sir and Hod Sir will be waiting. Listening to this news, Raj was shocked. Out of fear, he just tried to cram from Sunita's project file. But Sunita was confident. As her turn came, she boldly explained everything along with answering the audience's queries perfectly. Everyone clapped after her presentation. Now it was Raj's turn. He started his slide and started reading from the slide. The Hod said, "Don't read from the slide. Explain in your own words what is written on the slide." Raj was silent. He had just copied from Sunita. The Hod said, "Okay, just move forward the cursor and show me the rest of the slides." Raj did that. After seeing the slides, the Hod said, "Raj, you have done nothing. You have just copied Sunita's slides. That is why you are not able to answer anything." The Hod stood in facing the students in the auditorium. He said, "What do you people think about industrial visits? Was it a fun activity? Your success in life only depends on your own hard work, not on copying things from others. Success is the result of hard work, commitment, and dedication. Success will come when you finish your assignments properly. Success will come when you answer the questions in Viva properly, and success will come if you perform experiments in the lab properly. To do this, commitment is required and hard work is required. Except for Sunita, I have never seen any one of you going to the library to study something. I have never seen you people participating in guest lectures and seminars, and I have seen very few of participating in seminars, online conferences, quizzes, symposiums, and extempore. And then you call yourselves professionals. Work on your abilities if you desire success. Success never comes by cheating. Success never comes by becoming a duplicate of anyone. Be original. Success will automatically be yours." Saying these words, the Hod left the auditorium along with other professors. The non-performing students felt shameful. They were full of guilt. Raj looked at Sunita and said, "Sunita, I am sorry. I always copied from you without realizing the value of studies. Please forgive me." Sunita said, "Don't be upset, Raj. I have an idea. Instead of sitting separately, why don't we do our projects together, helping each other? See, as Sir said, during any visit to the factory, all of us will make points according to our individual observations. But after returning, we will discuss things with each other, note down important observations, and then back home, prepare our individual reports in our own words." Everyone was happy listening to the idea of Sunita. That day, they really came to know the actual meaning of success. As story is finished. Learn from your failures and never give up.